Good day. Today I'd like to tell you about setting up Trimble Access survey styles. There are a number of different survey styles available, and today I would like to show you how to set up a survey style for a robotic total station, either the VX or an S-Series Robotic Trimble instrument. First of all, you choose Trimble from your drop-down menu below, and you would use the VX or S-Series. Our measurement mode, we're going to leave at standard, and our observed averaged amount of position is 5. You could perhaps reduce that down to 3. If you would like to use a measurement on phase 1 and phase 2 for each point, I would select that. Perhaps you only want to use it for staking out. Measure distance on phase 2. The rest of the settings I would leave as is. Measuring a topo point, you can then decide what would you like displayed on the controller, and if you would like to view that topo point before storing, I would select over there. For staking out a point, I definitely want to see the stakeout deltas before storing, and I'd like to just make sure that I'm going to view my design name and my last code used. There are a number of different settings below this, and you can choose the different options as you see fit. Duplicate point tolerance, I have that set at 0, so that even if I have a 1mm kick with the previous measurement, I can see that, and generally I would be happy with a 1mm. The rest of the items we will not cover today, so thank you very much for your time. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know if you have any questions.